Yes sir, it's your boy Dubs Daily. As you guys saw in one of my recent videos, I did this custom intake modeled after the YouTuber Xenosigns and how he did his for his 2.5 liter. And I explained how, you know, this isn't supposed to be here. It's off the original tubing. This isn't even clamped on, like everything's shady. And an update about the light. The light is still on, and I believe it's due to certain places not being sealed properly. So I believe there can be a leak here because, like, look at that indent there. And then there's also a slight opening around here, so you know, air could be leaking, causing those codes to pop up. So I ordered another coupler, and now even after reviewing Xenosign's video, he said that he used 2 3-inch couplers. But when I did try to fit, even just do a test fit for this coupler going onto this side, it fit the 90-degree elbow, yes, but it did not fit this part that connects for the MAP sensor. It did not fit this too. I believe this is probably like 3.5 or maybe even 4-inch. I don't know, but I bought a 3-inch to a 3.5-inch coupler. Hopefully that fits. If not, I'm gonna have to return it and then get the 3 to 4-inch. But it's still in the box right now. I haven't opened it, but yeah, I'm gonna be disassembling this quickly and then throwing that coupler in. All right, putting it. Yeah, 3 to 3.5 inch. Here we go. Oh, get my finger out of there. 3 to 3.5 inch, also by Spectre. So yeah, let's get this open and get this on. This should not even be coming off how it just did. I didn't even take the MAP sensor off yet. That just shows how unsecure this was. So don't do what I did. Intake is now on. Definitely looks better. It's a little bit further in, but it's definitely more sturdy. No gap, there's a slight gap there, but why that is because of how pushed in the tube was, or the coupler was before. So that pushed in on the tube, and now it's like kind of just, you know, stuck there, but it's cleared up a bit. 0 gaps on this side of the coupler, and then now we have a proper coupler here, 3 to 3.5. It was a decent fit. There's a little bit of a gap when I initially put it on, but once I tightened, everything sealed up nicely. But yeah, another thing I forgot to mention before tearing, like, look at this, I can't believe, like, come on. Another thing I forgot to mention before tearing the original setup down, my cold starts were mad quiet, so that's what led to me thinking that there was the leak. And then after looking at it, seeing the gaps and whatnot, my cold starts have been mad quiet lately. I'm not making no noise. Neighbors are probably happy, but I'm not happy. So hopefully this changes things up. Now we're gonna do another test. I haven't started my car yet, so we're gonna see, and we'll see what happens with the lights too. Still pretty quiet. It's still pretty quiet. Like, it's loud, but it's quiet at the same time. But I'm gonna do another test in the bay to see how it sounds and everything. Definitely sealed up better. I'm gonna see if the code disappears eventually. Actually, I'm gonna erase it, and then, because I already know what the codes are, I'm gonna erase it, and if it pops back up, then something is probably still wrong, because there was someone else recently, my boy Scum, I think it's Scum 07K, but I'll drop the IG. He also recently rebuilt or built a custom intake, and he went a different method, but similar outcome, and he had no codes pop up. after installing his. So yeah, I'm gonna erase my code and hopefully, you know, we'll see how it goes. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe, share. Quick little video and update for you guys. All right, yeah, follow me on IG, dubsdaily __. I got more content coming for you guys. This looks a lot better now. If people want to see my intake, I can actually open my hood and show them. No one has seen, like in person, no one's seen my intake when I did the last setup, because I didn't really, you know, like all those on YouTube, I didn't want anyone to see how shady it was in person. Yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. I'm out.